Ipsa palate baltium tradere volebat, quod de Hercules virtute famam acceperat. Reliquae tamen Amazones ei persuaserent ut negarent. Okay, let's see what's going on here. Hippolyta herself was wanting to hand over her belt because she had heard the rumor about the courage of Hercules. However, the other Amazons persuaded her to refuse. Looks like it's getting a little bit political here. Okay, Hippolyta herself. Notice ipsa is an intensive pronoun emphasizing Hippolyta. Quote here is because. Okay, that's pretty easy. Notice what kind of a subjunctive clause do we have here? The rest of the Amazons persuaded her. The clue is persuaserent is where they're trying to get somebody to do something. We've got the ut and a subjunctive. What did they persuade her to do? Oh, if it answers the what thing, it is an indirect command.